Turbocor is a smart compressor with a host of intelligent features. During power outages or extreme fluctuations, Turbocor senses voltage fluctuations within half a millisecond and switches to generator mode. It uses its onboard capacitor banks as energy reservoirs to coast the shaft down and de-levitate for a smooth shutdown until the power is restored. Turbocor can restart within 30 seconds of a power outage, the fastest in the industry. This feature is specifically designed to meet the needs of mission-critical applications. You can rest assured that Turbocor's design allows it to protect itself from damages caused by power outages and extreme fluctuations.